What's going on, positive people? This is Scott from the Life, and I have this error. It's the Xbox Assist 0xDD006, and I'm going to show you how to fix that today. So I'm just going to close it out, and then my account doesn't want to sign in. I can't get into Halo 5. So what you're going to want to do is click the home button, and then scroll over to settings. We're in settings right now, and then we're going to go to network settings, and then go to go offline. And we went offline, and now we're going to go online. So we're back online. Now we should be able to go back and then hit the home button and then sign into my account, and then boom, there you have it. That fixed that error, and I hope this helps.